Once upon a time, in a sunny town, there was a magical pool. This pool was not like any other pool, for it could talk and sing. Every morning, the pool would wake up and greet the sun with a splash and a cheerful "Good morning, sunshine." The children of the town loved to visit the pool after school, especially Lily and Sam. Lily and Sam were the best of friends. They loved spending time together, whether they were playing games, reading books, or swimming in the magical pool. One day, they decided to visit the pool after dark. As they approached the pool, they noticed something unusual. The pool was glowing with a soft blue light. It was a sight they had never seen before. The pool said, "Hello, my dear friends. I have a special surprise for you tonight." The pool's water began to change colors, swirling and twirling in a beautiful dance. The children watched in awe as the water created a breathtaking display of shimmering stars, twinkling like the night sky. Lily and Sam were amazed. They had never seen anything so beautiful. The pool explained, "Every night, I change colors to reflect the stars in the sky. I do it for you, my friends, to bring a bit of the night sky to our little town." From that day on, Lily and Sam visited the pool every night. They would watch the pool's magical display, feeling like they were under the real stars. They learned that even the most ordinary things can be extraordinary if we only take the time to appreciate them. And so, they grew to love the pool even more, cherishing the magical moments they shared with their new friend. The end.